Hakaway ka jinjab ngosi kabala pinkindet bat pinpon yang kriat ya ganong ba baro kaway lalap ya kamet yap jang kaway ka Kynthei nakaway ka nala kabadon hapreng Nongrah-Lapalang Balapalang hakat steps ngin kong kata gandre tori uyayong arajar apun rio kat kung ka jinget hu jong kipulen ya kamet yap lalap balabu ahpo kaway ka borni plastik daki nongshong shnong kathan kibala pintem marmar sya kipulen lapoy mardor sya katika jaka mensedang ya ka jing tokit ka Pyniap. Habekren wakil apatai gubor Superintendent of Police East Khasi Hills iba Vivek im ilaong ba gajing yo jing tip ningkong kalawan naki nongshong shnong kathan kalkung gajing lap ka besdang na suba ba ka medyap ka day jong gawe kalong kami ka ba live kundai snam karta ka ba jar ngai ru ka arpo trik uleber.
There was this lady Elang Pawan, 39 years. She had gone missing. She's a temporary resident of Legendary and Nongrah, and she went missing on the 20th of March. A missing report had been filed in the Japanese station. Lookout notices were sent, lookout alerts were sent to all police stations, to other districts and other states, neighboring states, but no information was received on her whereabouts. It was only today, that the 6th of April, that body was found in a plastic sack which was tied in the river adjoining Nongrah-Lapalang. And a lot of our police officers had gone there. The special cell, the forensic team had gone there to the place of occurrence to examine the place of occurrence and the body. The body has been, as of now, been taken to Nongrah, and post-mortem will be conducted tomorrow. A case will be registered against the accused, and police is still working on the case, on the investigation of the case, to ensure that the culprit is booked. We already have certain clues on the suspect, and very soon we'll be clear on who the person is.
Shusho ka ba kampin kuslay yagi ba buon ka day ka jing suba don kati u Kennedy kongset urang ba u badang shudep syak kemshen haki pulit haga jing Pyniap ya u hebret u badang nyaw snam kerta Nongrah. USP ulayit hu bagi sabut bagi jinget hu jang hibriyo ki kedaw sya u Kennedy walagi pulit kidang tokit ikani kakam buon ki blay u Kennedy bat kani ka Kynthei.
Ta hari jing shisha but miladon katukan igi sakiru ki ba lawan chakmat pan ong dia kata but gila don sekali ki sebut rupat kedau ba lesi dari uni hi produkti dan dari yang mentahi kat ba pat pen tikna daka investigation di lawan patai shusho ni di dari ho ni subajur uni bla kemshen but hadir la ada postmortem but ki baiki la yo ki forensic reports tingin khamla ban patai shai menno kaja umno kaja but nei kada ya ke ke thu jong ni no Pyniap ni bria ti kata kan man kata ngir la bat hadir katukan iski. See, the body is decomposed. It's in a decomposed state right now. Once post-mortem is over and once we get to a report, then we'll be able to see what kind of injury, how was the deceased killed. This will be up to post-mortem.
Kibahaying bahasem jong Kynthei kilapoy sya katika jaka banyarap ban ithu ya kamet lapin kinria ya kamet sya Nongrah banle eka post-mortem ban bantip ya kadaw kabashisha jong kajingyap. Kipule kilapen dikna baya kani ke sakheng kum kamar kes bat kinong toket kila deb ban ithu ikibriyo ki basubadon ketiha kani ka kamsnio ba kajing toket kadang ya chakmat.